Financial statement analysis. Financial statement analysis or financial analysis is the process of reviewing and analyzing a company's financial statements to make better economic decisions to earn income in future. Hello guys, me Zahid Farouk and you are watching the Knowledge YouTube channel. If you are watching first time my channel, you may subscribe my channel so that you may receive updated video on daily basis. So let's start today's topic. Financial statement analysis. These statements include the income statement, balance sheets, statement of cash flows, notes to accounts, and a statement of changes in equity. Financial statement analysis is a method or process involving specific technique for evaluating risks, performance, financial health, and future prospects of an organization. It is used by a variety of stakeholders such as credit and equity investors, the government, the public, and decision makers within the organization. These stakeholders have different interests and apply a variety of different techniques to meet their needs. For example, equity investors are interested in the long-term earnings power of the organization and perhaps the sustainability and growth of dividend payments. Creditors want to ensure the interest and principal is paid on the organization debt securities, for example, bonds, when due. Common methods of financial statement analysis include fundamental analysis, horizontal and vertical analysis, and the use of financial ratios. Historically, information combined with a series of assumptions and adjustments to the financial information may be used to a project for future performance. Now we see horizontal and vertical analysis. Horizontal analysis compares financial information over time, typically from past quarters or years. Horizontal analysis is performed by comparing financial data from a past statement, such as the income statement. When comparing this past information, one will want to look for variations such as higher or lower earnings. Vertical analysis is a percentage analysis of a financial statements. Each line item listed in the financial statement is listed as the percentage of an other line item. For example, on an income statement, each line item will be listed as a percentage of gross sales. This technique is also referred to as normalization or common sizing. Now, quickly review what is financial ratio analysis. Financial ratios are very powerful tools to perform some quick analysis of financial statements. There are four main categories of ratios: liquidity ratios, profitability ratios, activity ratios, and leverage ratios. These are typically analyzed over time and across competitors in an industry. Liquidity ratios are used to determine how quickly a company can turn its assets into cash if it experiences financial difficulties or bankruptcy. It essentially is a measure of company's ability to remain in business. A few common liquidity ratios are the current ratios and the liquidity index. The current financial ratios is asset current liabilities and measure how much liquidity is available to pay for liabilities. So profitability ratios are ratios that demonstrate how profitable a company is. A few popular profitability ratios are the break-even points and gross point ratio. The break-even point calculates how much cash a company must generate to break even with their startup costs. The gross profit ratio is equal to gross profit or revenue. This ratio shows a quick snapshot of expected revenue. Activity ratio are meant to show how well management is managing the company's resources. Two common activity ratios are account payable turnover and accounts receivable turnover. These ratios demonstrates how long it takes for a company to pay off its account payable and how long it takes for a company to receive payments respectively. Leverage ratios depict how much a company relies upon its debt to fund operations. A very common leverage ratio used for financial statement analysis is debt to equity ratio. This ratio shows the extent to which management is willing to use debt in order to fund operations. This ratio is calculated as long-term debt plus short-term debt plus leases or equity.